All right, mate. Yeah, very well done on your 2.5x. So SKL here, it is very interesting. Let's just take a look at it. You know, the new month is looking very interesting. This is a bit of an inside bar, but this below it, I mean, this is a bullish move back up. And you could make a case that this is a bullish deviation down here, and this is a dip back down to retest it, and a new month, as long as the market's not going to crash, you know, a new month could continue and push back up. What did you say? 90 or so. Well, 90's up here. I mean, that is a big ask. Obviously, we're in the depths of a bear market, so we really need to just see this. This is a bullish reversal, and it's implying that the price should go higher. But obviously, if Bitcoin is going to crash, there can be some more downside. Like this is a bullish setup here, and it should go higher. You know, but you always have to be careful if a new month is red, in case this pattern fails. This is an inside bar. An inside bar also is a continuation or reversal. You can see the red volume here is actually larger than this previous volume. You know, it may kind of, and that's probably coming from buyers actually today in this 20. It's up 20% now, but it is a large red volume here. Sometimes you can kind of indicate that it may want to fail and come back lower. There's also the you know, the bears here would be saying that this is a breakdown and a retest here, and it bounced back up, but it failed and now rolling back over. So it's in a tricky position. It is a bullish setup in theory in the candles, but there definitely is resistance up here in this sort of area, just right along here. So it is going to be very interesting. You know, if we are green on the next month, and we pop up, there is the chance that this can continue. Obviously, you know, the market is not going to stay bearish forever, and the better coins will start to run ahead of some of the other coins. Let's just look at a 3 month. So the 3 month is still red here. That's the worry, and it's not. Oh well, it can change obviously, but this, yeah, it's an interesting setup. Like you can just see, we're sitting along this the whole way. You know, people would make a case for this to be a larger. There's the flagpole and a drop, and maybe the move to the side that could drop the price lower. So it's obviously a very important base along here on this 3 month chart. Let's look at your 9 week. Yeah, nice bullish engulfing here, still getting stuck on this resistance point. So check that chart. 6 months, yeah, 6 months is even trying to flip green here. You know, that is decent. It's, you know, a lot of the market is fighting on this exact point right here on the open of the 6 month. You know, there's a good case to be made that, you know, that there may not even be big moves until a new 6 month. It might want to create some sort of a doji candle here with a wick on top and a wick on the bottom. But as we can see here, you know, the 6 month is also the yearly, and it's getting very close to flipping green on the year. If it does flip green on the year, there's a lot of liquidity above. Now you're saying the $90 level. If I throw a fib on this, just for the sake of it, you know, the safe target to be aiming for is usually just here or slightly below the 38% retrace. So that gives you a $60 target roughly. So, you know, we can see that there definitely is potential here. There is it's a bit of a mixed reaction to the fact that is this where it runs. I know you're talking about in a few months time. If it is green, especially, you know, if we do dip down, down and to take liquidity and then pop up. Like as long as the overall market is not crashing. For example, if Bitcoin does something like this, if Bitcoin has a drop down and creates a bullish monthly stop hunt, well, that would be the time to long a lot of these altcoins, because there's always the chance that, you know, we have a failed move and start bouncing back up and catch people off by surprise. So I will be looking for setups like this on a new month, and looking for Bitcoin to do this as well, you know, ideally. But as long as if we're red on a new month, then it's probably best to wait. But if it starts to do something like this, that would be the time to long right here on the open with a stop below the monthly low.